Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to publish draft post in WordPress. Why would you want to know how to publish draft post in WordPress? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to publish draft post in WordPress. So today I am going to show you how to publish draft post in WordPress. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Publishing draft post in WordPress is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will publish draft post in WordPress. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to post in the left menu and then click on all post. Now in this page, first click on drafts in the upper menu. Now here is my WordPress draft post and click on quick edit, and in status click on draft and then select published, and now click on update and your post has been published. So there you go. If you were wondering how to publish draft post in WordPress, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.